so ye da so kwa Julian pon dia chen ne so da so kwa eneja konkon ene humobro ene ne do sonkon ene tima owoma nemba nam sa suntino odi ne ho beye impatade edi mai sene beya ibenya emfasoa ewonu sene beya ibenya echifa anase sene beya betumi ababia eye ni trimu popoti sintra odibo nipa sintra odibo onye se beba ne bia se ebeye ti se ono nyankopon se beye ye bribia in line with senia ono nyankopon osi dominate na osi ruye ne niama ade asifa mo esan se opese sade ne ACP na ACP se na be enkon kopa se ene wode wonsa ene bo me wode wonsa ene ye mi se edien ne kire se mi firo no se ne sade ene mi gade bidua wo a sade ne se mi dua wo a eno ne ade a ebetumi asesan abeye mi super kope ne sade na betumi asesan ede wo aba me bia me trimpo a me pese mi mani pa enya ewo madomwa sumai se ombra na ombra embe fa assassino in this na on reconcile me back to me. Now in any way so no as a GD4 ayewo Kristo mu a GD4 ye fa Kristo ye de esi ne bibia ai bitumi de wato so sebi amaba for indro so mko ni ade se omo siki ahom for asar mu nyakopon ni ntumi nyasa asen ntumi nyasa de ni na ye de ese de hu betu nyakopon so esanse ono ne shebre cause na sem kwa ma yeti asese answer na ye mu jato akwa da ye ni ye na ye mu no kura kono na onyankopon no onimu ename edada sanse ono ni obi a shebre ankasa no eye woni se ono ni obi a shebre ankasa no eye ne dia nti se saadia na ono kuto ni obi a betumi din akopia a eye bia papa ono kwa ni obi betumi din akop potai poti se na be ya yemmese yi sintra na ya potai nti a e de ba asase so. Now there's this saying among for tai kan ese nyakopon among for sunya ne se nyakopon se sam shebre ma me nyakopon me suan no bompa ya me shebre hu se sane ma me shebre hu nye ne ye ma me shebre amani sisi ye emfa ma me nemu ni ampese ma wo hu na wo ti ase se nyankopon o le meka se nyankopon on se san shebre e san se obese san o shebre na that means se ono akasa mpono he is not faithful to himself and akwese ono nyankopon ko ni miyoye se eye den na obo mi se mbe kan wasem ana obo me se me be ni papisi na afi ma sanso aba woni ma besua a kire se sama me no sanso asesa me shebre na won na it means one ka sampo no ni opuma sibre asazi na me say na kopon onye no kofo anase bisa emu ni ame pese ma woti ase ne se until say we appreciate nyakopon na kasa yi na wama nisua odi dua mu asombo ama it will be going to be very hard say ubehu it will be very difficult pa say ubehu shebre poti ana say biya poti ana bebi ono akasa pese odo kodu now Ubia kasa iskanye se we dwuma pesika enya bat ubia kasa wonya honya de wonya japade na until say one kasa obey well settled within yourself ewuna kupon say wo se wo ne nante na wama nante na wo ne nante no ebesipi na one kasa no be comfortably within him you'll be able to accomplish, and also you'll be able to assess anything or everything and deep biara or no nyankopon wahye say okay ye ni ade a meba me wo no me de ma wo na me de pata wo say ye ni ade a wo be yo say when you sane man in feel hono when you expectations in feel sane man so a fun baby a blinding from seeing the plans or the will that God himself per se or my say between achieve obi enyanka openyankopon se nyankopon ma open your home and anyasa fine now say wo se nyankopon ne pe enye home no if ebi enwumre na obompa ye na enwumre bia wo ka sa asem na anase BBC na ma open your home now at the right moment now from who can we no if he we onu esinchen na fi sisi wan kasa wodu gwesi wo ze ne sisi de ame mpom ho mane me hustle na ntumi nye bibi na ntumi yesi ntumi nye me kasa mpom ho mane I get another thing but nia I was na wo ti ase ne se wo di ade ahye ne nsa na wo chiniti na wo nim se ne no kwardi ene no kwarjo ipopon ya ojo otumi eyi ne doba ko besi ho ama enam saa so nti sisi wa benya emma bebre a na wo gine di pa te wo tumi abasa bia no abehu se ni peneye opepade a ene wo di ahye ne nsa no to adwe jamano manenya ni opesoy David make say it's not saying Nyankopon only before your problem. It's not say necessarily Nyankopon he's not doing anything in our lives. But the thing is that sometimes situations, things around us, in your mind, if you pressure be in your be, and only idea if frying from in the year potia, na idea potia, Nyankopon na kasano opeso yediane. Odi yekudu impempe so person yekudu so na nia wo se hu na wo ti ase prekope ene se so no ba odi ni maji ne bi wa fa Nyankopon ubeyi nwa yi be hye so aye and na pesa ma wo ti ase ne se there is no way a wodi hu betu Nyankopon so amo wini gu ase da. One thing is that when you are with God, not say when you do one or more, sometimes the process, and it cost speed in our expectations. Send a bear, it means okay, give you cool your mind. Then so who appreciate the presence, who appreciate it, say, which one more queen, who appreciate it, or more who don't want pattern more. In a man, let's see David in the Bible. Obiano wants Sarah so she enjoy. One in him say, "O Bible do something pencil." Kakra. One in him say, "David Bible pencil bia." Okufo, what will be a woman? My head didn't pass to be able to put a bullet. They will not know he said, "Obiano bit to me, Obiano bit me defeating no." Sanipan or Sarah so enjoy. Now, Bisamo said. And then to me, man, David, that confidence to stand in front of Goliath. You because okay, or maybe be a normal tenacity. But this one say Bit me ask if or what Sarah so dear, maybe a bush, obey encounter near bebree. Obey encounter near bebree. Now, due to those things that me I encounter, due to the kind of GDA any the kind of fear yeah a yesuru or ye to me be jina here through the soundness so. Now we feel sadness so about fear, imagine. Now, I don't recognize it yet a buano and he said, or recognizing young coupon. Oh, no, bravo. So I know Connie, or any man of Pontadi say, she wish. Send your bay, I say, or 2 seconds, and I said, give you Punya second to me, who you want, and second me into me without him. Or you go, and it's or recognizing young coupon in presence or recognizing young coupon or dinner man Thompson. Things are not going well. You may think say the man kuyi, but the thing is one casa on to one casa Yankopon won't see na see bravo. And not now no more assurance. Remember what he say. He is working. Or ye near Marcus Sakesi. Or so I genie. Forget his county age. Age need to forget his county. Scowaway, yempe yenya. So, a mass animal in the world that dream be because so what started our dreams animal. When was the last time we dream one at the chin and this animal water, David? So let us appreciate your dominant and their mind and found one baby I wish. Let's see Joseph, who knows he said who will become a king at the end of no can be rescue the whole entire village now free in the family now. Who knows? So behind him that. But see how the process was. Only channel Pushiburim Okwako Ojino Umkotono in process the difficulty, the afflictions and everything may be happening within each and every day. Each and every day piano, a manini increase, each and every day piano, how many cost each and every day piano, in same debris, no near me person me man what ya see and say. Rejoice, Jiwini, or how no, it's answer, or how so far as I don't want to dine upon there is no way or how it may do soon couldn't and answer or how it will be really baby born and that. So far as I want to go home. Let us appreciate this. Let us appreciate no coupon at Yamato. How now we name Airbow. Unyanka this stage, if you're winning baby, simply very comfortable. Don't worry. It is a stage at air build to add to the higher stage. It is a stage at air build to the higher place. When you get there, when you get those things now, you'll be able to manage it well. You'll be able to challenges. It is in so many ways. Sometimes with my build, say people who casa, with my build, say people who say aggressive, with my build, say be so obviously it too one now we see afa. So nyango pumpo ja ko dumpen so bia. You humble yourself. It's not like saying you're hustle and not saying you're usual effort. I want to hear you. You can make it. To earn effort without God. But the thing is that what do you have a bit to sustain you to the higher place that you have reached? It takes only the grace of God. It takes so you have so my so admiring saka processing negativity. So far as your nature, in the way you done it, then boy be a scale but at the end, they and Tanko doing ready. You be the Diana pretty day, no matter how. Bizarre say, quite bang. If you're out in drinking, the who didn't out in drinking, but Bizarre say, if you can quite or far, so I wouldn't need you any and I didn't escape to go to Kumu. The time I know how to those moments no be any home about three crampo. So always need be no about three. But see, until no my appreciate and trust God. Say no matter what, there is no way God is going to shame us. So far as we are in His presence, so far as we are in His bosom, so far as we are dwelling in Him, so far as we are mixed with Him, He is taking us higher and higher and higher. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe to this page. Send a bear each and every day. Be a update. Be a bar. Oh, messy. What you say? Oh, messy. I have a bit to share. If you are link, and I see video, if you're able to meet, so they will all subscribe to the thing. Send a bear, family, a bit to me. Each and every day, we say share a bit to me. Ways and things in our place a bit to me. I encouraging and send a bear. Ya be mu anase gidie na ya no emfedi bi biara da Yesu Kristo dim. Ida wase ni no mbra